Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your dream, like the puzzle one in Heartopia. So if you go to tab, there's the dreams like section, and if you go to puzzle here, you'll see like you'll need to obtain 5 completed puzzles, the small one, and then there's the medium one, and there's the large and the extra large one. Basically, to obtain these puzzles, you need to purchase them from Kaching. Now, you need to obtain different puzzles, so you cannot get the same puzzle. You have to get different ones, so you have to make sure to come here every single day to get different puzzles from Kaching. So, Kaching right now has the, the Sunlit Island. I'm just going to purchase it and show it to you guys, even though I already have this one, but anything for my viewers, of course. My house is so far, so I'm not going to edit this, so you guys just have to go on this laggy journey with me back to my house. Oh, there we go. There is that lag. Every single time I go to the village, it's like this, like the main part of the town. So I have to kind of go around it. And the drive there is a little bit better. Okay, there's my house. Basically, you're going to want to place the puzzle in your house and you're going to want to complete it. But if you want like the dreams to go up, you'll need to complete different puzzles. So if they look the same, don't purchase it because it doesn't work for some reasons. Maybe it does work for people. It doesn't work for me. But anyways, yes, I do have a lot of fishes. Oh, my inventory is full. I think it got sent to my mailbox. There we go. Oh, yes, it did get sent to my mailbox. So I am going to remove this because I don't need these weeds, even though it could be turned into fertilizer, but right now I don't need it. Let's claim both of these. There we go. And I'm just going to open my inventory and I'm just going to place it in my house. Yes, my house looks like this. I haven't done anything to it yet. Start puzzle, and you're just going to start the puzzle, I guess. Like there's like nothing to it. Try to make it go faster for you guys, but I'm not a puzzle master, you can see. How long is this video? Sorry. I hope you guys are still with me. Oh, there we go. Okay, so to obtain it, you're just going to put it in your inventory by doing so, and then if you go to dreams, it's going to be added to like 5 and 6. Okay, yeah, so you do need to complete new puzzles for that to like go up. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!